Hello, job seekers! The Taranawa team is thrilled to help you discover your ideal career and is dedicated to supporting you every step of the way. Are you looking to be part of a company that values a vibrant and rewarding work atmosphere? Our client, MTC, is currently seeking a controller technical repairs to join their team. For more details and to submit your application, simply click the link in the description below and visit our recruitment portal at jobportunities.net. Be sure to stay tuned for more exciting opportunities. Discover the revolutionary chatbot at jobportunities.net. Whether you're submitting job applications, exploring our extensive listings, or seeking professional advice on creating your CV or cover letter, our chatbot is designed to streamline the process and make it stress-free. To get started, visit jobportunities.net. Find the chatbot icon at the bottom right corner. Click to start interacting. Select from the quick response options or enter your query directly into the chat. Engineered for precision and efficiency, our chatbot stands ready to support your job hunt. Try it out now and see how effortlessly you can advance in your career journey. Job hunting doesn't have to be a daunting task. At Taranawa, we're here to make it simpler and inspire your journey to success. Our platform is more than just a list of job vacancies. We're your go-to source for empowering content. From confidence-boosting videos to tips on enhancing your personal brand, we provide everything you need to shine in your career. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share our channel with your network. Stay in the loop for the latest job openings, motivational insights, and inspiring stories. We're committed to connecting you with the best opportunities to help you move forward in your career. As we wrap up, we wish you all the best in your job search. We can't wait to see you back here soon. Greetings from the Taranawa team in Swakopmund. Stay inspired and take care.